Practical tips if you are going to a mediation conference. Number one, be prepared. Know your case well. Make sure you provide your attorney all the information he or she needs to prepare for the case. Number two, be patient. Mediation could be a long day. Sometimes the mediator spends more time with the opposing side and not with you, but that does not mean anything. It only means that the mediator is trying to gather information in order to help him or her craft a potential solution. And also go with patience as well, simply because the offer that you may receive may not be the offer that you're expecting, but that is part of the process. Negotiating a compromise that very likely, if you arrive at an agreement, you may not be completely happy with the outcome or what you receive or give and the settlement. However, it is a compromise and it is on your own terms that you decided with the other party that it was better off to resolve the matter at the mediation versus to continue the litigation further. Again, in a mediation, you're in control because you decide. You have the confidentiality portion of it, that whatever settlement agreement is done, it's confidential. You also have the creativity. You can be very creative in developing a potential solution at a settlement conference. You also have an important closure. Once you have that settlement agreement signed, I'm willing to say that you will be relieved that whatever this legal dispute you were in at the time will have closure and you can move on with your life. So I say be patient, communicate with your attorney. Practical tip is that when you receive an offer from the mediator, feel free to tell the mediator they'd like to speak with your attorney in private. You can discuss at any time, you can tell the mediator, give us a couple of minutes. I want to talk to my attorney in private to discuss this matter. You do not have to share anything you do not want to share. That's between you and your attorney. But those communications are important between you and your attorney. One other tip is do not overreact. It is very likely that during an opening statement or during the course of the mediation, something may say something you do not agree with. I frequently advise my clients do not overreact. You're not going to agree with them. That's why we're here in the first place, because you do not agree with them. And very likely they will say things that, or in some cases, may offend you. Overreaction will not lead to a potential settlement. Take a deep breath, let it go. It stays there anyway, not going to go past that room, and then allow your attorney and the mediator working with you and trying to resolve the matter. Also, do not interrupt. If the other side is saying something that you may disagree with, just let them say it. Do not interrupt them. They'll finish, then you'll have your turn. Your attorney will have their turn to rebut or to address whatever discrepancies or disagreements you may have with the statement that have been made. But most importantly, go with an open mind. Go positive. Listen. More importantly, be patient. You got to take a break. You got to have a cup of coffee, take it. Sometimes it can go 4 to 6 hours mediations, but that time is well spent because you're focusing your energy in resolving the problem versus extending it. And once you have that closure, you're going to feel more relaxed.